This is our African Bloodstone Rosary making kit, available at bead3.net by jewelry artist Kim Connors. And in this kit, you get the directions, and they walk you through each part of making this beautiful rosary. You also get all the beads and supplies you need. We have the beads, beautiful beads, all the pins, beautiful rosary crucifix and center, and the chain that you need. You will need your own pliers. We sell rosary making pliers separately, just because we don't want to include those in the price of the kit when maybe you're making multiple kits. Again, this is our African Bloodstone Rosary making kit, available at Bead3.